Back at Anderson Truck Trail, Jorge leads us out for a little warm-up jump. And here's Jeff. And Verl.
Nice.
Terry gives him a few pointers. And Bruce. Here on Lower World Cup is a drop that you have to do as a jump. I've been thinking about it for several rides, but I've never tried it. So I do a couple of roll-ups, and then just decide I'm going to have to give it a try. Here goes. Whew. Made it, thank goodness. Here's Jorge doing it with a lot more style.
Oh, beautiful, keep rolling.
And Bruce doing it with a lot more speed. And Verl doing it with a little flair here at the end. I barely catch Jeff. Here comes Max flying into the picture. I figure I better follow him over it once more just for good measure. There's one more little drop to make there too. I finally get a little footage of Verl going over the big drop. This thing is huge. Verl's going to try a rock gap to a ledge drop for the first time today. Doesn't take quite enough speed. Somehow pulled it off.
Side saddle. That's how they do it in Canada.
Bruce's motocross skills serve him well as he takes a lot of speed into this jump and just hits it perfectly. Verl gets back on that horse that he just got off of, side saddle. This time, hits it perfectly.
Oh, there you go.
Damn, thanks.
And here's Bruce going over one final drop.
That's perfect. Damn.